I wanted to do a quick video on how to fit a rear dash cam in a Ford Focus Estate Mark III. I had a bit of issue fitting one. I couldn't really find anything on YouTube, so I thought I'd just do this little demo if you're interested in installing one hardwired. So the trim on the back of the boot here, this middle part needs to come off. It's 4 clips. You can use a trim removal tool just to yoink it off. It all sits in here as well. Once that's removed, you've got to feed the hardwire kit wire down through the boot and the rubber grommet, I guess, and then down into the fuse box, which is in here. So the way I did it was I got like a skewer or kebab stick, and I attached the hardwire kit wire to it, and I fed it inside here down into the grommet. I took this off. This does unclip. Be careful though, because they do snap, or they can snap, and then fed the cable all the way through this grommet in here. Then I managed to get my fingers underneath the headliner here. If you undo this, you can just about see the entry up there. If you shine a light, you see the entry, see the wire there. And then fed it down under the headliner, and then down past this bit of trim. This trim also pops off. You can just pull it here, pop off, and then just fed it down through behind this bit of trim, and then down into the fuse box here. My fuse tap, fuse 29, which I believe is city stop and park assist maybe. Just check the owner's manual, or was a guide online. And once you've fused it, it's a 5 amp fuse, that's all it needs really. And then you have to earth it, so you need to earth the black wire onto something metal. I've done that on my spare wheel. Here's the trim that came off, by the way. I've earthed it on my spare wheel. Ooh. Spare wheel metal bracket, I suppose, and you can see under there. So it's just earthed there with a bit of insulation tape. Couldn't really find another suitable place to get that earthed really, so it took me about 2 hours after finding out how to get it down and through. But I wanted to show a quick video just to help anyone else out that's struggling to fit one. And I'm going to stick it probably in the middle here. It's got a nice view out the back, and it doesn't get covered. This will get covered in muck in the winter, so nice clear view out the middle here. Any questions or comments, just let me know below and I'll happily answer them. Cheers.